Happy blissful day to you, and in this video I want to share with you how to manifest your SP, how to manifest your ideal partner, how to manifest your ideal relationships. So the good news is that you do not have to settle for less. You don't have to settle for less. So what this means is you can literally manifest the person of your dreams. You can manifest your ideal relationship. You can manifest your ideal partner. And it's simple. It's simple. This is going to be a short video. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. All that is required from you is to become the person who is already in a loving relationship. So what do I mean by that? You see, even though you're single now, all you need to do to manifest true love, your ideal partner, your ideal relationship, is to use the law of assumption. Now, the law of assumption states that you have to assume that you are already the person who has your desire. So in other words, you just have to assume that you are already a loving partner. You have to assume that you are already in a loving marriage. You have to assume that you are already crazy in love with your ideal partner. So I'm going to share a quick, personal testimony. So when I manifested my wife, I was single and I was sad and I was miserable, and I just told myself and asked myself, I said, okay, Gabriel, you know how to use the law of assumption. So what do you want? What do you want? I said that I want a blissful marriage. I don't just want a relationship. I want a blissful marriage. And then I said, okay. So you know what you need to do, yeah? Yes, I have to become the blissfully married man. Okay. So I had to shift my mind from being single to the blissfully married husband, to the blissfully married man. So I just closed my eyes and I accepted and assumed that I am now a blissfully married man, a blissfully married husband. And I asked myself, okay, now that I'm a blissfully married man, how does it make me feel? How am I thinking now? How am I acting? How am I relating to other people? And whilst I was answering all these questions in my imagination, I felt what it was to be blissfully married. And that feelings and then emotions, literally shifted me from being single to being in a loving, blissfully awesome relationship and marriage. And then I just remained faithful to that new state. And within 3.5 months, boom, I manifested my beautiful wife. I manifested my beautiful wife. 3.5 months. Now, if this can happen to me, it can happen to you as well. All that is required from you is just to become a loving partner, already a loving, a married partner. All you need to do is just shift your mind from being single to being the person who is now in a loving, awesome, blissful relationship. And you just remain faithful to that. That's it. Now, if you need help, we have courses on how to manifest your SP. We have meditations on how to shift your mind from single or a toxic relationship to an ideal relationship and to what you really want in a partner. Now, the good news is we also have a bundle for you. Now, the bundle is worth $250, but you're getting it for $99. So you're saving $150. You get the Manifest SP courses. You get Manifest SP meditations that literally shift you into the person who now has your desire. Manifest your SP. And the reason why we did that is to make sure that you do not have any excuse but to live your ideal life with your partner And my wife and I, we enjoy a blissful life, a blissful marriage, a blissful relationship, not only us, but with our beautiful son as well. So we would want to share that with everybody else as well, because it is so fulfilling. It is so freaking awesome. I can't describe it. You have to experience it yourself. All I can say is that, wow. That's all I can say. Having said that, keep smiling, and congratulations on your ideal partner, your ideal relationship, because you deserve it.